Hi, good evening. I am Faisal Maqsood and you are watching FM News International. Let's have a look on today's headlines.
Just to put our confidence, we can assist government.
Hey, good evening. I am Faisal Maqsood and you are watching FM News International. Today we are in National Press Club and we have, sir, can you please introduce yourself because lots of people, especially people who are living in Islamabad, they don't know about you. So introduce yourself.
My name is Dr. Bashir Kagda. I am working as a dermatologist and also along with that I am here as a surgeon in Islamabad. Today the purpose of this conference is we came here and tell the people to give the awareness how hair transplant is, to whom you should go there, and you should also select a very professional doctor, and we have the doctors who are quite trained in hair transplant surgery. So you should select that doctor, and we are also giving awareness to the people that you should also focus on the hair transplant surgeon. And second thing is this, we are also promoting we are also promoting health tourism, and we have a society that's known as Hair Restoration Society of Pakistan. Dr. Naifan is the president of that society, and he is here to address the press conference. And along with that, we will also in the future we are going to train around 1,000 doctors all over in Pakistan, and including the big cities of Pakistan, Karachi, Lahore, Peshawar and Islam. So in future we will also continue the media awareness, and through media we want to give the message that select hair transplant surgeon with very care, so that in future you will have wonderful results. Along with that you may not suffer the health issue. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for your time and it was message. If you are living in Pakistan, be careful. Lots of non-professional hair transplant doctor, we can't say the doctor, the non-professional are sitting and they are playing with your health. So be careful.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. I am Dr. Jawad Jahangir, hair restoration surgeon in Rawalpindi in Islamabad. I am American Board of Hair Restoration and I am doing practice for last 7 years. The purpose was the general awareness in the population, and
40%
special concern was to promote medical tourism from hair restoration point of view in Pakistan. So this was our main purpose.
So, sir, you just mentioned and your colleagues mentioned there is non-professional doctors. We can say it's a non-professional people who call themselves like a doctor, but they are not doctor. What do you think about them?
Yes, this market is grabbed by some quacks that are non-doctors. We call it a black market. So this black market is more in Pakistan, but yes, you can say that this is even in Turkey and other countries as well. So as a part of International Society of Hair Restoration, we are fighting worldwide against this black market, and the purpose of today's conference was to build a awareness campaign between the general population that who should be selected for their hair transplant. They must verify their doctors, their surgeons before going to the transplant.
Yeah, it was the message. If you are living in Pakistan, be careful because non-professional and we can call them black sheeps are there. They can play with your health. So
My
be
name is
careful.
Dr. Rana Irfan and I've been working in Islamabad for last 25 years. I'm a hair restoration surgeon and qualified by American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery, and right now I'm the first non-American president of American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery, and this is a big honor for the country itself that I have been elected to that big slot after 35 years of the board, and I'm the first non-American to be elected as president of American Board of Hair Surgery from Pakistan. We should say like in a different way that non-doctors, actually non-doctors should not be doing hair transplant surgery or any surgical procedure or any medical procedure as well, because they are not qualified for this. Doing medicine, and it is a big job, and being a doctor is big job, and they should be allowed to do the hair transplant surgery only, and we are working on it. We call them a black market people who they are non-doctor and non-qualified people who they are doing hair transplant in Pakistan. But here doing press conference today, my object was only to introduce Pakistan as the tourist place for health tourism, for hair transplant tourism, because we can earn lot of dollars, lot of money from this hair transplant surgery, because Pakistani doctors, they are more popular than Turkish doctors, than European doctors, than even they have their counteracts in America only. We do some competition with the American people, American doctors. So I think Pakistani doctors are way for intelligent and qualified and smart doctors than the Turkish doctors. I'm not undergrading Turkish doctors, but I'm upgrading my doctors. They are more efficient than any part of the world. So we should. I'm getting them together, and we are starting this thing to bring to health tourism, or especially hair transplant tourism to the Pakistan, so that we can help our economy in bringing the people down to Pakistan.
Sir, thank you so much. And last question, sir, how can we stop them like the fake doctors you call just no doctor, no profession? They are non-qualified people are in the market, black market. How can we stop them, and how can we take action against them?
Actually, Pakistan is a big population, 24 crore population, and people, 70% of the adult population is bald. We should increase the number of doctors. Only 110 doctors in our society, they are doing hair transplant surgery, and they are very less number. So we need to increase the number of hair doctors to 5,000.
Experts, yeah.
Experts to 5,000, so that they can deal with this big bald people in the Pakistan, in our country.
Yeah, it was the message, sir. Thank you so much for your time. It was the message. And if you are living in Pakistan, anywhere in Pakistan, so be careful, because lots of black sheep are in the market. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.